Welcome to the Character Animation for Beginners course. In this course, you will learn everything about animating realistic and believable 3D characters. You will learn all the concepts as well as the workflow for approaching character animation. We then get technical and look at nerdy sounding tools such as IKFK, rigs, dope sheet editor, and so on. You then get hands-on experience and actually animate some character shots such as walks, runs, and waves. You will also learn some advanced character animation tips such as animating the eyes, lip syncing to dialogue, interacting with other objects and characters, as well as some basic cloth and hair animation. With 40 lectures and over 6 hours of content, this course is jam-packed with valuable information and covers nearly everything you need to know about animating characters. We won't be learning about just animating characters though. If you've tried to animate characters before, you would have known the struggle in making your characters seem lively and realistic. We will also target that in this course. How to make people believe that your character, the one you animated, is alive, convincing, and believable. The course is also aimed to be affordable, so that you don't have to fork out thousands upon thousands to do a formal degree on animation, or even buy expensive 3D software. By the end of this course, you will know the theory behind animating realistic and believable 3D characters. You will also have gained experience and confidence in being able to animate your own character actions. These skills may also be transferred to your own personal projects, like making your own animated short film or a game. You may even find yourself getting a serious head start if you plan to study animation formally in a college or university. This course can be a great stepping stone towards a great animation career. The course is aimed at complete beginners, however intermediate and expert level users may also benefit. The course is definitely for you if you've dreamed about making your own characters come to life, or if you've always wanted to make your own animation film. If you've got a passion for CGI and animation in general, you will find this course very useful. I created this course to help anyone who wanted to animate characters but struggled to do so due to the overwhelming nature of the process. And as a bonus, I'm throwing in a free, fully rigged, ready to render and animate high quality 3D character model. You can use this right away to start animating and render awesome shots. It is currently on sale for $25, but you will get it for free when you join. Feel free to check out the first few videos, and I look forward to seeing you throughout the course.